Your active status allows others to see when you're online, which can sometimes feel a bit intrusive. If you value your privacy and want to avoid unnecessary messages and interruptions, disabling this feature is a great way to do so. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on these lines to open the settings menu. In the menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a page that contains various messaging-related settings. Here, you'll find an option called Show Activity Status. By default, this setting is enabled, meaning your followers can see when you're active. To turn off your active status, simply toggle off the switch next to Show Activity Status. Once disabled, others won't be able to see when you were last active or whether you're online at that moment. This adds an extra layer of privacy and helps you avoid distractions. Keep in mind, though, that by turning off your own activity status, you also won't be able to view the activity status of others. It's a trade-off between your privacy and the visibility of others. And that's it. Turning off your active status is simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.